Hi everyone, so today we're going to continue talking about perimeter. Remember that the perimeter of a shape is the distance around the outside. So if you fenced in a yard, then it would be the length of the fence when you added all the sides together. So here they're looking at the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. And what I notice about the word equilateral is that it has part of the word equal in it. So that helps me to remember and see that an equilateral triangle has equal sides. All three sides have the same length. So to find the perimeter of this equilateral triangle, you would add 4, all three sides. 4 plus 4 plus 4, which you see over here equals 12. I could also multiply because I know that each side is 4 inches and there are 1, 2, 3 sides. So 3 times 4 is 12. The perimeter of this equilateral triangle is 12 inches. Down here, number 1, I drew the pictures beforehand. It says, how can you use multiplication and addition to find the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 6 feet and a width of 4 feet? So I have 6 feet by 4 feet, so I could add 6 plus 4, right? I'm adding 6 plus 4, and then I'd add another 6 and another 4, plus 6 plus 4 equals, so 6 plus 4 is 10, and then over here again 6 plus 4 is 10, so the perimeter of this rectangle is 20 feet. If I wanted to multiply, then I could multiply. I'm going to erase, and it's going to erase that's okay. I could multiply by multiplying 6 times 2 because there's 2 sides that are 6 feet, and I could multiply 4 times 2, so 6 times 2, I'm going to write it right in here. I'll write it up here. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 times 2 sides is 8, and then 12 plus 8 is 20. So you can see that you can multiply or add or do a combination of both. Down here it says, explain how you can find the perimeter of a square with a side length of 7. So with a square, if you only know one side length, that's okay, because in a square we know that all sides are the same. So every side is going to be 7 centimeters. So I could add 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or I could multiply 7 times 4 sides is equal to 28. And I just can't forget my unit is centimeters, 28 centimeters. So I'm just going to go over these really quick. The perimeter of this would be 4 plus 4, which is 8, and 8 plus 8, which is 16. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 8 plus 16 is 24 feet. And then right down here, the square, remember all sides are the same. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So we know that's 5, 10, 15, 20. The perimeter of this square is 20 centimeters. So good luck. I hope that you find today's lesson easy for you.